So a company sent me this and they wanted me to unbox it, review it, and see how it is. So it's been sitting on my desk, and honestly, I'll go ahead and open it. This is not my original knife. If there's anybody that wants to send me an unboxing knife, I would gladly take it. Thank you to Puko, or the company that was kind enough to go ahead and send this out to me, because I think it's pretty cool that this this watch has a pretty good sized screen. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that. So there it is, and the yellow band, honestly, it's giving me like iPhone vibes. I mean, not iPhone, Apple Watch vibes. Please charge it before use. Please be sure to follow content provided by in the manual. Download the corresponding app before connecting and use. Let's talk about what comes in the box. Not much comes in the box besides the instructions, and then also this 2-point contact charger, which in my opinion comes with almost every single smartwatch that is not very big branded. So let's do this little bit of a satisfying peel. I don't think you guys can hear it, but by the way, did you guys notice like the screen thing just doesn't even fit around the entire base of the watch? Does it even turn on? Maybe it might turn on. Scan binding code. Let's download the app real quick. I'm probably most likely going to use this watch for about a week and see how it turns out on like all the features, how it works, if everything is like accurate, such as like heart rate, footsteps, and you know, so on, like sporty stuff, I guess you could say. It's telling me to download this app called Glory Fit. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in or make an account real quick. It's asking me to choose if I'm male or female. Male, hi, please connect device. So right here on the app, after you finish setting it up, it says please connect device. Pops up right away. I'm pretty sure that's the watch. Watch connected. At least I connected successfully. It was pretty fast and seamless. Now from the startup, officially, you can tell that the screen doesn't have a very high resolution. I guess it has like sort of an iPhone type copy look, but it's not that bad of a watch. Screen is glass, so I do like that about that. How does it feel on the arm is my question. First of all, the band right here does feel kind of a little bit just like bad plastic, unfortunately, but you know, it's gonna have to do. Oh, am I gonna break it? There we go. Let's go ahead and do that. I feel like it's not even tight enough. Supposedly that is my heart rate right now, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Does this look like a cool watch, or is it just me? I think it's not bad. It's not the worst. It is a budget option watch. I would wear it just for style, but not like to actually sort of use on my daily basis. Although this same company sent me some earbuds that look absolutely good. The only thing about them is that, well, you guys just have to wait until I make the video about them. This was just like a quick unboxing. Oh, I can also see messages apparently, so that's pretty cool. I'm trying to think, what else can I do on here? Is this all? I have an option to change the theme. It's not the worst, I'll be honest with you guys, but it is very light and not the greatest material made for a watch, but it is pretty good. It's pretty decent, I guess. But I guess my only option now is to like test it, give you guys a reply on how it works, and also how good it is with like footsteps and health reasons and notifications. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys like this quick little unboxing. But let's see how the fitness tracker works.